我叫陈彤，来自中国，我祝所有索马里兰独立日快乐。
Hello, I'm William Jones. I'm from America, and I'd like to wish a happy Independence Day to all my Somalilander friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Evgenia and I'm from Russia, and I wish the happy Independence Day for Somaliland.
Hello, it's Musa, I'm from Pakistan.
Hello, it's Fuad, I'm from Pakistan, and we are here together to wish you all the
happy Independence Day to Somaliland. Yeah. Wish you all the best in the future.
Hello, I'm Rwandima, I'm from Sri Lanka. I would like to wish all Somalilanders happy Independence Day. Thank you.
안녕하십니까. 저희는 한국에서 왔습니다.
소말리아 독립을 축하드립니다.
축하드립니다.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Saleh. I'm from Yemen, and I would like to wish a happy Independence Day to all Somalilanders. السلام عليكم. كل الأمان والتوفيق لشعب صوماليلاند ودولته وشكرا.
Hello, my name is Rita, and I'm from Congo. I would like to wish happy Independence Day to all Somalilanders. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'm Ammar Hatim from Sudan. I would like to wish a happy Independence Day for all Somalilanders.
I'm from Mongolia. I would like to wish happy Independence Day in all Somaliland.
I'm Shanice from Zimbabwe, and I'd like to wish all the Somalilanders a happy independence.
Hello, my name is Abdullah.
Hello, my name is Victor.
I'm from Ghana.
I'm from Kenya.
I want to wish all friends and families from Somalilanders happy Independence Day. Thank you.
I'd like to wish all the Somalilanders happy Independence Day. Thank you.
I'm from South Africa, and I'd like to wish all Somalilanders a happy Independence Day.
Hello, I'm from Nepal. I would like to wish happy Independence Day to all Somalilanders. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Olga, and I'm from Poland. I'd like to wish to all Somalilanders happy Independence Day.
Hey, this is Suraj Singh from New Delhi, India. I would like to say happy Independence Day to all Somalilanders.
Hi, I'm Enjo from Zambia. Just want to send a big shout out to all the Somalilanders out there. Wishing you a happy Independence Day.
Hello everybody, Zambia is in China here. I just wanted to wish Somaliland a happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day.
السلام عليكم. اسمي زيد من العراق. باسمي وباسم بلادي أهني إخواني صوماليلاند باليوم الوطني وأتمنى الازدهار الدائم والسلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
My name is Jessica. I'm from Nigeria. I just want to say happy independence to all Somaliland.
Hello, I'm Simone. I am from Angola. I would like to wish a very happy Independence Day to all Somalilanders. Thank you.
عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنو قادنا مع شعب كريج جيبوتي وهم بليرنا ولا له Somaliland سنقولوا جافر الوطنات وحانوا لنا هاي.
I am George Saud. I am from Eritrea. I wish a happy Independence Day for all Somalilanders.
Hello, I'm from Burundi. I would like to wish a happy independence to all Somalilanders.
Hello, my name is Tim. I'm from Kazakhstan. I'd like to wish happy Independence Day to all Somalilanders.
Hi, my name is Wizi Musa. I'm from Rwanda. I'd like to wish happy Independence Day to all my Somalilanders friends.
Hi, my name is Steve. I'm from Rwanda, and I'd like to wish happy Independence Day to Somaliland.
Hello, my name is Abino. I'm from Vietnam. I was like to wish happy Independence Day to all Somalilanders. Please, okay?
Hi, Bo. My name is Tommy. I'm from Namibia. So I'm hereby wishing all my Somaliland friends happy 24th anniversary of independence. I'm wishing you all blessed, guys. God be with you. Bye.
Salam alaikum à tous mes frères et sœurs de Somaliland. Je m'appelle Cheikh Mouloud, je suis mauritanien et je suis là pour vous souhaiter bonne fête d'indépendance.
Hello, my name is Carlos Magaña. I'm from El Salvador and I want to wish happy Independence Day to Somaliland.
Hello, we're from Indonesia. We would like to wish Somaliland happy 18th
My name is Daawo, the chairman of Somaliland Association Students in Shandong Province, China. I wish all Somaliland community they are happy 18 May. And also I would like to thank the foreign friends who took part in this video. It really means a lot to us. Thanks for your effort. Thanks.